I'm Garcia Kenneth Dulay from Gold 2. Tattooing. Small discrete black speck which can be wiped of course grain of gunpowder driven into skin. Ito po daw yung hindi po basta-basta mapapawid dahil kumapit na po sa balat yung gunpowder na parang pepper po yung paminta. Drug is any synthetic or natural substance that used to produce physiological or physiological effects to human. Low explosive, burn at the much slower rate and create less pressure, combine combustible substance and an oxidant at sufficient temperature. High explosive detonate the instantaneously, burn more rapidly and create more pressure. Considered as dangerous because it's unstable chemical. Arson is a crime of maliciously, voluntarily, and willfully setting fire to the building or property to another for improper purpose as to collect insurance. Dito po may mga degree po yung arson. First degree arson ay an act in which a person set fire to the occupied home building. Yung may nakatira po doon na tao, yun po daw yung sinunog. Second degree arson, an act in which a person set empty extractor or abandoned building. Ito po yung mga abandon na, yung wala po talagang nakatira. Third degree arson, in act which person set fire to an abandoned area of space such as the vacant lot or place. Ito po yung yung lupa na nakatimangmang lang. At yung po naman, fire triangle, meron po itong oxygen, fuel, heat. Pag wala po daw dun sa kanila, pagkulang po sa kanila, hindi po magseset ng fire. Hindi wala pong magagawang apoy kung kulang po yung tatlong triangle, fire triangle. Macro-etching, which is produced for revealing the large scale structure of a metallic specimen that is structure visible with the unaided eye by the etching and appropriately prepared surface that is used to process metallurgy as about quality control tool and the investigatory tool. Purpose of macro-etching, it used to determine whether the serial numbers of motor vehicle or firearms are tampered. Purpose of etching is used to restore to original number of an article. Paraffin test, method used for detection of gunshot residue This is test determine whether person has discharged a gun. Gunshot residue is the mainly composed of burned and unburned particles from the propellant, the explosive primer, and components from the bullet, as well as the cartridge case and the firearm used. Trace evidence. Trace evidence. The evidence is material left behind when two objects or people or interact. It may be microscopic like skin, cell, or macroscopic like hair. Like a hair, all trace evidence is small enough. Have been have been have been have been transpired during an interaction between the perpetrator, victim, and environment in which the crime was committed. Transient evidence is temporarily easily changed or lost, usually observed by the first officer at the scene. Other putrefaction, perfume, gasoline, urine, burning explosive, cigarette or cigar smoke, temperature, surroundings, car, wood, coffee, water, bathtub, cadaver, imprint and identifications, footprints, teeth, marks in perishable foods, and attire mark and on certain surface. Class evidence has characteristics of a group. Items, examples hair, fiber, t-shirt, duct tape, blood types, and individual evidence. Nailed to a single source, example, DNA, fingerprints, broken glass that match perfectly. Forensic investigation is the gathering and unearth all physical evidence related to crime or order to reach conclusion about a suspect to determine how crime occurred. Investigators will be examine blood, fluids, or fingerprints, residue, hard drive, computer, or other technology. 11 stage of crime scene. Search, approach the scene, secure and protect, evaluate the physical evidence, prepared narrative description. Number 6, take a photograph the scene evidence. prepare to prepare a sketch, conduct detailed search, initiate preliminary survey. 9. Record and collect physical evidence. Conduct a final survey. 11. Release a fine. Different method of crime scene search. Strip or line search. Quadrant zone sector. Grade double street search. Spiral search. Wildfire search. Strip or online search. Number 1. Typically used in outdoor scene to cover large wherein detailed examination is necessary. Number 2. Quadrant zone sector search. This is used when the crime scene is particularly large. This type of search crime scene to be divided into four large quadrant work well with building with warrant search. Grid or double strip search. A combination of strip search and beneficial in large crime scene, particularly outdoor scene. Ito po daw yung nasa labas na scene o kaya outdoor nga po, nasa labas po. Spiral search. This is conduct with the searching officer starting at the point of the crime scene or center of the area. Ito po yung pabilog, pa-spiral po pabilog, palapit sa gitna para ma-determine po kung anong mga evidence nung nandoon. This is good pattern for confined area such of small room. Ito po yung kinakandak sa maliliit na room. Ito po ang pinaka maganda po nilang gawin para makapag-imbestiga agad. Wildfire search. This is done based on a circle surrounding the crime scene. The circle is divided into 6 quadrant. Ito po daw yung may nakadivide po sa 6, then bawat po divide na quadrant, yun po yung bawat po doon meron pong mga possible na evidence na kinukulit nila. Kumbaga po hinati-hati nila. Forensic chemistry and the forensic chemist. Forensic chemistry refers to the branch of chemistry that deals with the application of chemical theories and principles in the solution of ethical problems in relation to the administration of justice. Forensic science deals with the application of the broad spectrum of science with the interest to legal system. Often short term as a forensic come from the Latin word forensis, meaning of or before pouring. Forensic chemist, siya lang po yung parang makapagbigay ng siya po ay pwedeng maging expert witness sa mga hearing po. Siya po lang ang pwedeng mag-witness.